And now I would like to introduce our speaker for this evening. Imagine having an experience during flight that you could not explain. On December 4th, 1970, this is exactly what happened when General Aviation pilot Bruce Gernon and his two passengers flew over the Bahamas. Since then, Mr. Gernon has been researching and writing about the Bermuda Triangle. He has published 4 books based on his personal experience and research and has appeared in 36 documentaries about the Bermuda Triangle in which he describes his space time warp experience. He has been an active pilot for over 52 years in addition to being a commercial building contractor and developer in Isla Mirada, Palm Beach, and the Bahamas. Please join me in welcoming Bruce Gernon. All right, enjoy, everybody.
Thank you, Kayla, for inviting me. And hello, everybody. So I'm going to tell you about something I experienced back in 1970. 4th of
Miami radar, this is Bonanza Alpha 36, come in.
The skies are calm. This small plane is 70 miles from the Florida coast, headed to West Palm Beach.
Where are we?
Suddenly, the single-engine Beechcraft is lost, trapped in a bizarre storm cloud 40,000 feet tall.
I don't see a way out. There's no way out of here.
The 23-year-old pilot and his passenger are staring death in the face. Straight ahead, the only chance for escape, but it's closing fast.
Hurry up, over there. We gotta move.
The pilot swoops into the swirling cloud tunnel, but what looks like an escape route turns into a trap.
Nothing's working. Nothing makes sense.
Compasses spin. Instruments fail. This plane is about to become the latest victim of the Bermuda Triangle.
I've been flying for 47 years now. I've had a lot of flights in that area. But this experience, I'll never forget. It all started 100 miles east of Miami when I found myself surrounded by this strange storm. Time started changing.